Video editing is dead. Not video, not content, editing. Brands are putting out more videos than ever. TikToks, YouTube, podcast, you name it. But the simple cut, color, export jobs, clients can get that for pennies. Or even soon let AI do it completely free. If you're banking on I'm a good video editor so I will stay getting paid, you're already so far behind. The money has moved on to something so much bigger, and that's content operation. And content operation means running the whole content pipeline. Ideas, calendar, production, scripting, editing and thumbnails, everything. And the people doing this are working less than 3 to 4 hours a day, bringing in 2k, 5k, even 10k per client. So stick with me, because in today's video I will show you how to go from just being a normal video editor to being a content operator without needing to learn too many new skills. So let's hop in. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. You can spend 10 hours making the perfect video with the best animations, the best color grading and the best sound design. And the client will still hunt for the cheapest editor. Why, you may ask? Because the market has trained the clients to see editing as just a product. And the cheaper the product is, the better. And there will always be freelancers working for $10 an hour. And there are coming new AI tools every day that trim out dead space, that make clean animations, that does the dirty work. So to most brands, a good editor is just another replaceable product. And that's exactly why rates keep sliding. Every year there's a new kid on Fiverr that's underbidding you. Every week there's a new AI plugin that claims to do the job faster. And I know you feel it. The late nights, the fifth revision, the clients who ghost when you ask for a higher rate. You're tired, but you keep saying, if I just get better, they'll pay more. And I used to believe that too. Just a few years ago, I was exactly where you are. But then I learned content operating and I scaled my business so quick and so much. So you're not failing. The market has just changed. And the old belief that better editing equals better pay is just a trap. So here's the pivot. Editing isn't the product, the outcomes are. Because clients will never stay because your transitions are flawless. They stay because the content drives in sales, grows their audience or frees up time. And that's why the smart editors, the editors who are evolving, are going into content operating instead. Because instead of just delivering a few files, they cover the whole machine. And before you think that it sounds too complicated, remember that you already have the hardest skill, and that's editing and selling editing. Because if you can land a $300 gig, you can easily land a $3K a month retainer if you bundle it with strategy and makes it easy to say yes. Today's AI tools, they already make the scary stuff. Need a content calendar? That's 2 clicks. Need automated captions, analytics and scheduling? That's built in for free. So you will not be adding 10 hours of more work, you'll be adding 10 times more value. This is the belief switch that changes everything. Stop selling clips and start selling outcomes. Because the editors who make that leap, they aren't fighting for scraps anymore. Now, before I show you exactly how to pull this off, let me give you something if you're ready to move on fast. I run a private coaching program where I work with editors side by side to help them hit 5K a month or more in just 90 days. We build your offer, we set up your outreach strategy, scrap leads and create your client pipeline so you will never need to guess what to do next. If you already know that you don't want to figure this out alone and spend the next 5 months looking at tutorials and learning new stuff, press the first link in the description. The first call is a free 60-minute strategy call where we go through exactly what I will help you do and how we'll do it. So if you're even a tiny bit interested, book that call and then after that we will see if you're the right fit. Now let's get back to the video. Let's break this down into a simple roadmap. Think of it as 5 core moves. Not a complicated manual, just the big levers that makes the clients happily pay 2K to 10K a month. Move 1 is content calendar and strategy. This is where you set the vision with the client. Sit with the client and map out their next 30 to 90 days of content. Decide topics, formats and posting rhythm. And with today's AI, you can generate an entire calendar in just a few minutes. Headlines, hooks, and even drafted scripts. So your job just becomes to guide and refine so it matches the client's voice. That alone will position you as so much more than just an editor and can already bring in premium rates. Move 2 is the production guidance. You don't need to become a full-time videographer. You simply need to tell them what to capture and how. Shoot list, framing tips, audio reminders, stuff like that. You're the director on paper, making sure that whatever they shoot matches what you can edit and repurpose later. And clients love this because it saves them hours of trial and error. Move 3 is editing and repurposing. Here is where your current skill shines. You will still cut long form videos, shorts, all of that, whatever just drives in sales for the clients. And one video can become 10 pieces of short form content, and the clients love that because they get more without needing to hire more. Move 4 is the distribution system. Now you take everything you've built and push it on automatically. AI schedules it on every platform they want and handles the analytics. So you just need to set it up once, monitor the results and tweak the plan each month. And this is where clients really feel the set it and forget magic. Move 5, and arguably the most important one, client acquisition. Because none of this matters if you can't land the right client. This is where you package your offer simple. Clear retainers like 3K a month for full content ops. You send high volume outreach like cold DMs, cold emails and targeted messages. And in every message you need to make sure that you give them free value right away. And now when you're not offering just editing anymore, you're offering a full system, the prices jump, the conversion is higher and the conversation becomes completely different. You're not haggling over price anymore, you're talking about real outcomes. So put these 5 moves together and stop being the editor that's just trying to improve and become the content operator that brings in thousands a month. So that's the shifts that bring in multi-$1,000 retainers and brings you the freedom that you've been dreaming of. Now picture what it actually feels like running this system. Instead of juggling 20 random $200 gigs, you've got maybe 3 dream clients. Each one pays you $3,000, $4,000, even $5,000 a month. You know exactly what's next on the content calendar and exactly what to do every day. Your mornings now start with some simple strategy calls and not hundreds of revisions. And you're no longer just a person in the editing bay. You're the content operator, the brain of their entire content machine. When they launch a product, you already have a month of videos planned. When they travel, the positioning schedule never stops. And they don't see you as a freelancer that they can replace. They see you as a partner who keeps their brand alive. Because if they fire you now, they don't have any videos planned, they don't have an editor, they don't have any thumbnails, they don't have anything. So all that's left is to package your skills into a system that clients can't live without. And if you want my help to plan out your entire roadmap and then do it with you step by step, press the first link in the description and go check out my coaching program. It's designed to get editors to 5K a month or more in 90 days. And the link is waiting right below. Click it when you're ready to move, not tomorrow, not someday, when you're ready. Because the editors who act on this now, they will own the whole next way of creative businesses. And everyone else will be competing with robots for scraps. If you're not interested in my private coaching, I have a free training on screen right now. It has everything you need to go from $200 gigs to 5K a month. So go watch it. And remember, don't just watch, take action.